As you build your personal brand as an entrepreneur, professional, or change maker, creating a profile video for your personal brand is a must. Welcome to another interesting episode on Insight with Dr. Foles. This is Dr. Foles, your trusted creative strategist, brand innovation expert, also the founder of Trep Africa. Today, I will be discussing how to create a profile video for your personal brand. So, let's get to it.
Trep Africa. Imagine more.
First of all, we need to understand what profile video is and what it entails. A profile video is a short video within the duration of 1 to 2 minutes that gives an overview of your personal brand. A profile video entails or introduces who you are, what you do, the audience you are targeting, why they need to choose you, that is your competitive advantage. And the fifth one is how they can actually reach out to you. Basically, your objective is to be able to create a personal corporate video that is relevant to your target audience within the duration of 1 to 2 minutes. The most important thing to remember is that creating a great profile video for your personal brand requires some basic steps that you need to follow, which I'm going to be discussing. 1. You need to clarify your personal brand. Remember, you are introducing yourself and your brand, hence clarity is key. Avoid any confusion and make sure you communicate your brand statement clearly. Another thing is that identify your core audience is very important, and this will help you to streamline your message that you will deliver in your video. The second point is write what you want to say, that is, develop a script. Writing your content will help you to organize your thoughts and what you want to say in your video. The third point is good sets and B-rolls is key. Having a good set and B-rolls keep the visual interesting. Your B-rolls, they are the complementary videos or footages about you or what you are offering or your services that will help you show your story instead of telling it. The fourth point to take note while creating your profile video for your personal brand is good production. Good sound and editing is essential. You need a competent creative professional that will team up with you and help you plan ahead to ensure lighting, set, production, audio needs are met and to create a best quality footage. The fifth point is to upload your videos on different platforms. The whole point of creating the video profile for your personal brand is to spread the word about you and your brand. So upload your video on your website, YouTube channel, and social media platforms. In conclusion, are you an entrepreneur or professional thinking on how to develop your personal brand or how to grow your personal brand? One way to start is by creating a video profile for your personal brand. And if this is you, let's connect. I love working with ambitious entrepreneurs, professionals, change makers across the globe. I will team up with you and help you develop and innovate your personal brand with brand innovation, video production, and digital design. Send me a DM at Dr. Foles and let's innovate your personal brand together, or chat me up on the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and share this video within the network of entrepreneurs and professionals. Please subscribe to Trep Africa YouTube channel for more insight. Remember, as you build or develop your personal brand as an entrepreneur or professional, creating a profile video for your personal brand is a must. See you next week.
Trep Africa. Imagine more.